Good day, guys. So this is a 2016 Hyundai Tucson engine, 1.6 liters GDI engine, which I am rebuilding. As you can see, right now I have fixed the piston, the rings, the piston, and this is the automatic manual clutch that we need to change. As you can see, this one is bad. So right here, I'm trying to explain to the car owner about it. Okay, trying to show him that we need to replace it because replacing it will bring the car back to a good performance. It will make the car work smoothly. Actually, the gear selection was not smooth before. When you engage the gear, it takes some time before it will move, and you might be like the car when the car is in hold up, like traffic, it slip out of gear. So I'm trying to tell him that we need to change this. This is not common in other cars. You can only find it in all these new modern cars, such as Hyundai, you know, Domino's, Toyota, Ford, Range Rover has this. It's called automatic manual clutch. It works like a manual clutch. It helps in changing gear. And right here is the engine. I have coupled the block engine. I've coupled the auto manual clutch. I've coupled the top cylinder. So the work is still ongoing. Work is still ongoing. This is a full overhauling and gear, like transmission rebuilding. And also this guy is turbo. We later change the turbo. Yeah, we changed the turbo also. What we did on this Hyundai is kind of a full restoration. Full restoration. So you can always trust me to work on your car, like any kind of fault you have on your car, like any kind of fault at all, being it engine, gearbox, suspension, AC, interior, painting, diagnosing, like you want to scan, alignment and balancing, name it, whatever faults, even like if you want to wash, detailing, like you want to give your car a good washing, you can always slide in my DM to give me a call, wherever city, wherever no place you are. I will come right there, inspect the car and fix it.